Hey Tech Fam! Welcome back to the channel. Huawei just dropped the HUAWEI Watch 5 and it's going head-to-head with the HUAWEI Watch GT 5. Both are sleek, packed with health tech, and ready to level up your wrist game. But which one's right for you? Today, we're breaking down their design, features, battery life, and more to help you decide. If you're pumped for this showdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about looks. The HUAWEI Watch 5 is a premium stunner with a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display for 46mm size or 1.38-inch for the 42mm size, wrapped in titanium or stainless steel with sapphire glass. It's got that luxe vibe, weighing around 48 to 63 gram, and comes in colors like gray-purple titanium and sand gold. The GT5, though, rocks a sportier edge with a 1.43-inch AMOLED for 46mm size or 1.32-inch for the 41mm size, using ceramic or stainless steel. It's slightly lighter at 45 to 50 gram and has bold options like black and blue. Both are 5 ATM water resistant, but the Watch 5's IP69 rating and EN 13319 diving standard make it a bit tougher. Want elegance? Go Watch 5. Craving rugged? GT5's your pick. Which design's calling you? Drop it in the comments. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Health tracking. The Watch 5 introduces the HUAWEI X-Tap sensor, a game changer. It measures fingertip SpO2 in 10 seconds, world's first for a smartwatch. Plus, its health glance scans 11 metrics in 60 seconds, like ECG, stress, and sleep breathing. The GT5 uses the TrueSense system, offering heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking, but lacks the X-Tap speed and ECG depth. Both support over 100 sports modes, but the Watch 5's golf course mode with 15,000 plus maps edges out for golfers. For fitness buffs, the GT5's route navigation is great for runners and cyclists. If cutting-edge health tech's your jam, the Watch 5's ahead. But the GT5 holds its own for everyday fitness. What's your priority? Comment below. Let's talk smarts. The Watch 5 runs Harmony OS, likely next, with eSIM calling, NFC, and Watch App Gallery for apps. It's got gesture controls and works with iOS and Android. The GT5 also uses Harmony OS, but skips eSIM in some models, relying on Bluetooth calling. Its app support is solid but less robust than the Watch 5's. Both offer customizable watch faces, but the Watch 5's dynamic animations, like Galactic Wanderer, feel next level. For connectivity, the Watch 5's Bluetooth 5.2 and optional cellular make it more independent. The GT5's great for paired use but feels less standalone. If you want a mini phone on your wrist, Watch 5's your vibe. Prefer simplicity? GT5's got you. Let's hear your thoughts. Battery life's a biggie. The Watch 5 lasts 3 to 4.5 days on the 46mm or 1.5 to 3 days on 42mm with typical use, but drops with AOD. The GT5 crushes it within 7 to 14 days, thanks to its lighter OS. Charging? Both use wireless magnetic chargers, but the Watch 5's faster. Price-wise, the Watch 5's estimated at $450 to $500, while the GT5's around $300 to $400. The Watch 5's premium features justify the cost, but the GT5's a budget champ. Want longevity? GT5? Need top-tier tech? Watch 5. What's your budget looking like? So what's the verdict? The HUAWEI Watch 5 is the premium pick with its X-Tap sensor, luxe design, and smart features, perfect for tech lovers. The GT5 shines for fitness fans with epic battery life and a sporty vibe at a lower price. Your choice depends on whether you want cutting-edge health tech or long-lasting value. Which one's your winner? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech battles. Catch you in the next one. Next.